All right, hello, and welcome to the very first episode numero uno of Stock Speedrun Series 2. I am Matt, and this is being done on the weekend of December 11th, 2021. If you are unfamiliar with what a stock speedrun is, you can check this video's description for an explanation and also a disclaimer as to its content. So why don't we go ahead and get started with this very exciting episode 1. I really hope that I still got it in me to do these, properly and informatively and entertainingly. Let's see. No, we're already behind. It's taking too long to load. Diamond Hill Investment Group, DHIL. What is up with... And of course the first episode is going to be some garbage no one's ever heard of that is barely traded during the day. Of course it would. Of course I wouldn't get any of the fantastic companies that I got during all of the test runs I did to try to perfect this format. No, of course I would get garbage now. All right, that's enough complaining. What is this? Provides investment advisory and fund administration services in the United States. Do they have a particular geographic location they serve? I don't see anything. Although it says they're centered in Columbus, Ohio. Okay. Oh-ho! So it may not be actively traded, but it was definitely the talk of the town back on November 24th. What happened then? I want to know. Was that when the third quarter results came out? No! Why is everything so slow? No, this is October 26th. This is 2 months ago. Something must have happened. Also, why am I getting a bunch of articles for other companies? Levanova? Kirby Corp? Red Rock Resource? Actually, Red Rock Resource, is that a... I know there's Red Rock Arena. In what, Colorado? Alright, I'm getting distracted. Why am I getting so many articles for different companies? Wait a minute, Diamond Hill Capital. Are these... Hold on, I gotta read some of these. Something's going on here, because these all have something to say about Diamond Hill Capital. Publishes Diamond Hill Small Cap Fund. Oh, these are stocks that Diamond Hill Capital is pushing? Ooh, interesting. Diamond Hill Capital investment management firm publishes Diamond Hill Small Cap Fund, third quarter 2021 investor letter, copy of which can be downloaded here. Not terribly interested right now. Portfolio outpaced the Russell. Okay, that's interesting. Hold on, I want to go back and read their description again. The other subsidiary provides investment advisory and fund administration services. Okay, yeah, fund administration services. They run funds that are currently doing better than Russell 2000. Okay, that's good. Although, not doing better than Russell 2000, it sounds impressive. If they were to say they were outpacing the S&P 500, then I'd be impressed. But the Russell 2000, I don't know. That thing can be a little volatile. So that saying you're outpacing it isn't really all that impressive on its face, to be honest. Against the index's negative return and adding to a year-to-date outperformance. Wait a minute, delivering nearly a 2% positive return. That's actually not that impressive. It's like, hey, yeah, the Russell 2000 gave a negative return. We did better than that. We did better than literally losing money. I mean, okay, sure, good for you, I guess. No. In the investor letter, mentioned Triumph Bancorp. Okay, that makes sense. So these are all companies that they mentioned that they like. Interesting. You know what? I want to go see how some of these companies are doing. Wait, where's that link going to take me? Oh, Insider Monkey? No, I want to look up some of these companies, actually. TBK. What is Triumph Bancorp? And what was the other one? Levanova, LIVN. Because I want to see what kind of companies they're hitching their wagon to. That should be able to tell me something. Man, this is like speedrunception now, because now I got to do speedruns of all the things that these guys are looking at to have a good judgment of these guys. Let's see. It looks not terrible. How about Livanova? Livn. Now this I never heard of. What the hell is this? I mean, not to say I've heard of Triumph Bancorp before, but you know what? It has. You can tell it's a bank easily, but you can't really tell what this is on the face of it. Medical device company. All right, like if I was to give a wild guess, that'd probably be what I would say. Wow, this is kind of going nowhere. I don't know if I agree with them on this one. This one seems like, I mean, they're not hemorrhaging money nearly as bad as they were. I don't know about this one. I don't know about that one. And still, I can't figure out what was with that big drop. Was that just generally a down day? Was that 24, 25? Oh, okay, no, wait. See, November. You know, I was wondering, because the reason why I was scrolling over this is because I was trying to figure out if this was a weekend, because I know we've had a couple of rough Fridays in the last few weeks. But just based on this chart, I can figure out what day was Thanksgiving, because it's the 24th, and then it jumps right to the 26th. And the only day that I can think of recently that would cause there to be a one-day blip in the chart is Thanksgiving. So 24 must have been that Wednesday, and 26 must have been that Friday. And yeah, that Friday was garbage. Everything shat its pants, and, you know, things went to hell in a handbasket. So I don't think anything bad happened to this one necessarily. It's just that it got caught up in a lot of that. How was it doing prior to that? Not bad, actually. You know what? I don't hate the chart. Yeah, it took it on the chin a little bit on that Friday, and it hasn't really recovered. But given these quarterly earnings, I see no reason why it can't recover. I see no reason why it shouldn't be able to recover. SP flow. Let me look at this Taseko Mines. Is there anything I want to search? Diamond Hill investment performance. Fund has returned. Okay, this is better. Like, why did that one article say 2%? Why did that one article say their return was 2%? This says fund has returned 38.9% over the past year. That's actually very, very good. 14.38% over the past 3 years. Not bad considering the COVID drop in the middle of that. And 14.85% over the past 5 years. Also not terrible. Let me see this. With large market capitalizations. Okay, that's fine. And they have different funds, it looks like. What is all cap? I guess that means because they have small cap, small to mid cap. And I guess all cap just means it's literally all caps. It is companies of all kinds of capitalizations. Get out of my face, Advisor Weekly. I ain't paying for your shit. Ooh, directly on the website. Let's see what this has to say. Mutual funds return. So, like, yeah, they can invest fine. They're not inept at what they do. Yeah, compared against the Russell 2000. So, the small cap fund... Jeez, I gotta figure out how to read this. Okay, 1 year returns 33... Why is this giving me a different number? Maybe it was the average number it gave me before across all the funds, but, you know, whatever. So, small cap... been around for a while, since 2000. So, 1 year return... 33.29... against the Russell of 22.03. I will admit I don't know the difference between the Russell 2000 index and the Russell 2000 value index. I'm guessing that this index is made up of companies that are all explicitly defined as values of value stores, and this is either a mix or all growth. But still, it did better than both of them. You know what I would like to see? I would like to see a comparison against either the Dow or the S&P. They would need to have a lot of balls to put those numbers up here, though, because it's probably not going to make their returns look as impressive as they do here. But you know what? I can look those up, actually. So what do they have? The small cap, and you know, the mid cap is probably a better... Oh, damn it. I didn't realize I was so far in time. What I wanted to do... What I wanted to do is I wanted to look up what the returns of the S&P was in the last year. And then I can compare those to their numbers and maybe get a better representation of how well they're doing. But you know what? I don't think I need to do that. That would be just a little more information on top of things. I actually like this. Especially, so what kind of did it for me is the blah, 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 I can't talk. Is those the quarterly results, like 2000 or not 2000, 2020 ended and this thing just took off like a rocket, you know. And I don't see a reason. Well, okay, I didn't see. Let's see, how do I explain this? I didn't see an explicit reason as to why those kinds of returns should continue, but I also didn't see anything that would say that they would not continue. And you know, a lot of the articles I saw were kind of neutral. They didn't really have, aside from, you know, saying, hey, they're investing in this and this and this and this, which most of the companies seemed fine. I wasn't really a fan of one of them. I forget which one it even was now. It's not really all that important, but given a lack of information explicitly signifying in one direction for another, I am inclined to say inertia takes over, and those kinds of returns will continue to even grow potentially. So you know what? I like this, guys. I like Diamond Hill. I'm gonna go and give him a buy. What do you think? Please let me know, and I will see you in the next one.